fix connecting to peers problem in your uTorrent. So if you find this video helpful, click that subscribe button and the bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are new uploads in this channel. So if you have a connecting to peers problem, I have a few solutions for you. So let us expand our uTorrent. So select the torrent that has the problem, and you have here a option called update tracker. So this will actually scan your tracker or your uTorrent for any problems that is affecting your download, such as the connecting to peers problem. So just click on that like this, and then the other solution is go to the options right here and go to setup guide, and then click on run tests. After that, it will run tests and it will restart your connection for that torrent and fix the connecting to peers problem. If not, you can go to the preferences and go to the connection or the bandwidth. So set this maximum download to 0. It should be 0, and in the connection, go to enable UPVP, and also enable that one in this one. So make sure these three are enabled for you to have good connection and for your download to resume, and click OK. And then what you need to do is, if it doesn't work, just restart your uTorrent by clicking on here, right click on the uTorrent icon and go exit and continue. So that's it, the uTorrent has been restarted. Just open it again. So I hope this video helps, and thank you for watching.